Finding the courage to change, learning to listen. I woke up today thinking about my inability to hear what others are actually saying. My own inner fears distort the words of others. I hear criticism when there is none. I hear attack in a difference of opinion. I'm humor challenged. I always assume that the joker is trying to hurt my feelings. I look out at our society and I see this pattern repeated everywhere. And while I have no power over society, I do have power over my own habit of being a reactor. I can stop assuming the worst. I can start expecting the best. I can allow others the freedom to have an opinion. I can learn to quiet my thinking and stop my habit of reacting. I can stop assuming that I know what's best for everyone else. I can allow others the freedom to have their own opinions. I can mind my own business. I can live and let live. Daily meditation is the tool that I use to learn to listen. I need things to be easy, and what's easier than sitting in a chair listening to a simple sound? When I notice my thoughts running away, I simply refocus my mind back to my original focus. I made a commitment to meditate every day. It became easier to quiet my thinking. One day, I realized that when I listened to nothing, I could hear my guidance from Source. That was unexpected. It turns out that Source is offering guidance all the time, but I was so busy thinking that I couldn't receive it. Finally, I'm noticing that I'm learning to catch my reactive habit in action. I'm learning to listen to the real conversation.